Hi there. In this video, I will tell you about the tools you need to run C programs. Throughout this video course, I will tell you to try out different things with C. To see all this for yourself, you will need an environment in which you can write, compile, and run your C code. So let's get started. The first thing you need to check is which operating system you are using. If you are using Windows or Mac, I suggest you start using Linux, particularly the Ubuntu distribution. Ubuntu is very useful for writing code in any language, not just C. It comes pre-installed with many tools you will need for programming. And installing new tools is also easy on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is preferred by many programmers around the world for this reason. You can download Ubuntu from its official website. I have put a link for the same in the description box. It is completely free of cost. Now to install Ubuntu, you can have it running along with your host operating system by creating a partition on your hard disk. You can find many tutorial videos to do this. However, if you want an easier way to run Ubuntu, use Oracle's VirtualBox. It will make managing the installation very easy by handling all the messy details for you. You can download VirtualBox from its official website. I have left a link in the description box below. VirtualBox is also completely free for use. Once you have Ubuntu up and running, open the terminal application. This application is where you will type commands for your computer to execute. You will type commands to write, compile, and run your C programs here. I will explain all of these in detail when we get to our first program. For now, install Ubuntu and have it ready for use. Thanks for watching. I will see you again in my next video.